I think I slept on these Taxi 12s, but let me tell you why. We was on a podcast early this morning. Shout out to my guys, Purple Haze, Radio Kicks 26, my guy Lou, and Jay Elevate over at Jay Elevate. Man, we were on a podcast over there at One Pair at a Time, and they asked me a question. It was like, yo, Mr. Think, what are your thoughts? What do you put first for your 12? I was over there talking this big talk because let me tell you this, I love my flu games. Ooh, y'all know I love, because I be doing lives cleaning them, and my flu, my flu games are already cooked. I ain't gonna lie, because they're super comfortable and I like them. But I think I slept on these taxis because I got these things in hand and the colorway is hitting. Anyway, look, box reads Air Jordan 12 Retro, white, black, taxi, and yes, we have it here. We have the Jordan 12 taxi. Let's get into that flip. Yes, let's take a look at these kicks, man. We're gonna start right in the very, very front. Take a look at that toe box. Now let's talk about this leather quality. By no means am I a leather expert, but I will tell you this right now. This isn't the best tumbled leather. I mean, it's not like super buttery soft. I will personally admit that I think that the leather on the flu games are a little bit better. Like that black leather on there is actually a better quality, but it's all good. That doesn't mean this is bad. But yo, this colorway hits. All right, so we have that white going all the way up from the toe cap, toe box area, going shooting straight up the tongue. Pause on that. But of course, we have the letters 2, and then we have the number 3 there for 23, and we have that Jumpman. Now, I will also admit this too, and I'm not being like super critiquish on this shoe because I do like this shoe, but I will tell you this though. My Jumpman on here looks a little, it's not frayed, but let me put you this way, it looks fuzzy. Yeah, the Jumpman on there looks a little fuzzy. It's all good. It's all good. But I'm just pointing out on my pair. Let me know how your pair looks. But it's all right. Now, we also have that obviously we have that design there. We all know that's like an Asian sunrise. That's how the shoe was inspired. But we have that reptilian cover there, and it's black with the black mudguard there. We have that black Jumpman as well. Man, this joint is looking so clean. Move it up to the eyelets there. You see the eye stays. We have that gold, or should I say, it's supposed to be gold, but mustard gold or whatever the case is. That is plastic, as you can hear there. It's not like the metal, you know how it is back in the day, but it is all right. And as we come around to the heel, right in that heel there, we have that 23, and we have that pull tab with, once again, that mustard colorway with that red Jumpman. Y'all know what it says. Quality inspired by the greatest player ever. And we also have that Jordan stamped right there on the side. Yo, these taxis are looking tough. Let's go ahead and go to the outsole. On the outsole there, you see we have that mustard shank plate there, kind of like with that whole carbon fiber look. And we also have that 23 stamped in the corner with that red Jumpman. These come factory laced with white laces, just like how the OGs did back in the day. And look, I'm glad I have this kick. Now I'm actually having a change of heart, man. I might have to make another video about this, but I'm having a change of heart about these particular kicks because I will go bread all day, which is the flu game 12s. Bread all day, bread all day. And now that I got these taxis in hand, yeah, I ain't gonna lie, I'm feeling like a little trader. Now, peep this. Because of this colorway right here, these retail today. They came out on, November 8th, I think, man. I don't even know my dates. Retail for $215. Shout out to JD Sports, because JD Sports went ahead and sent me the EA. I had no problems at all. Went, copped this kick, picked it up, and everything was gravy. And here goes a little video. We got a couple of things sitting over there at JD. They still got Voodoo sitting. They got Shattered Backboard 1 sitting. The Air Jordan 3 Family Affair sitting. And what else? What else? There's another kick that I'm forgetting. Did they have any Rare Airs? 11s? Nah. I don't think they had Rare Air 11s. But anyway, I took a nice little video for that as well. What do y'all think about these kicks? Right now, you can go on the Nike app, and I believe they have everything from a size 11 on down still available on the Nike app. That is crazy. Like, we have taxis absolutely sitting and available. Are you guys gonna cop this kick? Tap in, subscribe, let me know. And look, with a colorway like this, truth be told, you can go absolutely crazy with the laces. I think I'm gonna throw a couple of laces in here just to kind of show you what it looks like. But at the end of the day, I'm not disappointed with these. And personally, just on a personal level, these are double up worthy. Holla at your boy.